Our topic for today is that record cooking oil prices add to serving food inflation in wake of sugar crisis. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel and must give your opinion in the comment section below and watch this video till the end to get complete information about today's topic. Prices of cooking oils used in thousands of products from chocolates to margarine and instant noodles are on tier, and that means shoppers need to pay for more expensive groceries. From crude oils to grains and edible oils, commodities have been rocked by Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the sweeping US and European sanctions that ensued. Ukraine ports are closed, transport and logistics are severed, and buyers are unwilling or unable to pay the surging cost of insurance and freight required to secure cargoes from the Black Sea. Ukraine and Russia are not only major suppliers of wheat, corn and barley, but they also ship more than 75% of global export of sunflower oil, one of the world's 4 leading edible oils. That has made a tight global market even tighter and sent prices of palm and soybean oil, the two most used oil, to records. As a result, prices of 4 major oils, palm, soybean, rapeseed and sunflower, have soared, and the rally is set to cascade down to the shoppers in the form of higher costs for everything from candy to shampoo at local stores. Prices of palm oil, which makes up about the third global supply, have more than doubled since the middle of June last year, while soybean is up about 50%. Sunflower oil from the Ukraine is also up to about 50%, according to prices from Chicago Consult, the last of which was dated February 24, the day of the Russian invasion, and so too is rapeseed oil. With no sign of war easing, where oil in first place, China has issued order to prioritize commodity security and directed state-owned buyers to score markets for raw material. The country is also selling state reserves of edible oil and soybean on domestic market to cool prices. India, the top importer of edible oils and Middle East countries, are especially at risk with Ramadan approaching. India imports about 60% of its cooking oil needs, and consumer foods prices have risen at fastest pace in 14 months. Ramadan, a Muslim holy month marked by fasting from dawn and feasting at dusk, began in early April and is followed by Eid al-Fitr in May. These events, celebrated by Muslims around the world, typically drive up demand for palm oil and other vegetable oil that are used to make treats like biryani and sweets. Thanks for watching this video and give your comment below.